Hey Chai Tribe, it's Upma here, owner and founder of Chai Walli. I wanted to introduce you to our August product of the month this month, as I'm working from home and I'm drinking a beautiful cup of chai as we speak. And the product of the month this month is our newest blend, which is our classic Punjabi Masala chai. Now Punjab is where I come from in India, and I wanted to bring things back to basics, and I wanted to teach you all about what a classic masala chai in India looks like. In Punjab, we actually call it cha, which is C-H-A. And so it's a very, very simple blend. It's fennel seeds, cardamom, and black tea. The reason why I wanted to do this was to really fine tune your palate and understanding of the black tea used in cha. And I've chosen a single origin, fair trade, organic, and family owned black tea that we source from Assam and sometimes Nilgiri. Now this black tea is the black tea you should be using for blending with spices. It is beautiful, it is robust, it's vibrant, it's got these deep flavors, it's amazing. So the month of August in Australia is winter, and winter is, in Ayurvedic terms, the kapha season, which is, in terms, it's slower, it's cooler, it's more moisture. So it's a time for people, I guess animals, they hibernate during winter. So it's also a time for us to slow down a bit, to take things a bit easy, have warmer drinks, make our digestion fire, warmer, and our metabolism working, because the colder months can really create coolness in the body, which we want to adapt and also create warmth. So with this blend, what I would recommend is adding on to it. So some of the spices that they recommend in winter months is to have cardamom, is to add ginger. So add fresh ginger to this. And we do have a couple of these items on our website that you can get and you can play around with it. So I wanted to take things back to basics so you could explore what it means to blend spices and utilize different spices. Use this blend as a base, taste what it is, then add on to it. Add fresh ginger, add dry ginger, add cinnamon, add cloves, add cardamom, add whatever you want. There is cardamom in it though. So some things that I would add in addition to this are things like cloves, things like kibbled dry ginger, which looks similar to this, things like star anise, things like cinnamon. There are so many things you can add to this, but I want you to really understand the basics, bring it back to basics, and understand what makes a masala chai, what makes it so beautiful. And this blend, I love it because it's something that I have when I just want to be grounded and be reminded of home. So play around with it, try it out, add some spices, add some fresh ginger to it. Some spices that in Ayurveda they recommend having in cooler months is your cardamom, your ginger, your star anise, your cloves, your cinnamon, to build up the circulation, the metabolism, and the warmth in the body. But use this as a base. I love it, and I know you're going to love it too. It's a limited edition. We're only doing this blend for a short time, so the packaging will be really similar to our current packaging that we use. But if you all like it and it does really well, we'll keep it as a product. But thanks so much for joining, and thank you so much for supporting small business. It's been a bit of a difficult time in Australia at the moment with all the lockdowns happening, which has unfortunately impacted us quite a bit. But look, we have our health, we have each other, and that's all that matters. So thank you again for supporting small business. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Hope you all have a lovely day ahead. Stay spicy, drink chai.